Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to change your date of birth on Gmail. So let's start. First open the Gmail app. Now tap on your profile icon on top right corner. Then tap on Manage your Google account. Now tap on Personal Info. Now tap on your birthday. Now change your birthday as you like. You can also choose who can see your birthday. If you select anyone, then anyone and everyone on Google will be able to see your birthday. I prefer it keeping only you. Now tap on Save. Now tap Confirm. And your birthday is now changed. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.